Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can delete your TradingView account using your TradingView application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your TradingView application on your mobile device and then sign into your account. Before proceeding to delete your account, if you have a paid subscription, ensure that it is cancelled before deleting your account to avoid further charges. Once you cancel or delete your subscription, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the menu page, click on the settings icon at the top right, and at the bottom of the screen, tap on Delete Account. Go through the information once and then click on Yes, Delete My Account. And right after you click on Yes, Delete My Account, you will then be able to delete your existing TradingView account just like that. You may receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox for the confirmation, and you will then be able to completely delete your TradingView account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.